First, the headlines. Hijam Irabot remembered on State Mourn Day 2019, rich tribute paid. Center NSC and IM talks likely to resume in October. And NEC planning to deliver life-saving medicines through drones in interior areas of Northeast region. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving. Now the news in details. The 68th death anniversary of Hijam Irabot, also known as State Mourn Day 2019, was observed today at Irabot Bhavan located at BT Road, Imphal. Leaders of Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council, MSC, veteran leaders, secretariat members and well-wishers of the party attended the glittering function. They paid floral tribute to the statue of Hijam Irabot erected at CPI MSC office. The event was organized by Irabot Celebration Committee. Speaking at the function, CPI Manipur State Council Secretary L. Shotin Kumar noted that late Hijam Irabot was a pioneer of Manipur who was ready to offer his life for the betterment of the society. He fought against social injustice and stood firmly for the poor and downtrodden sections of the people, especially farmers. Shotin Kumar went on to say that Hijam Irabot was a great leader who denounced royalty and entered into Communist Party in September 21, 1948, with a mission to bring change in the society and put an end to the disparity between the rich and the poor. Until his last breath in September 26, 1951, he worked with dedication and sacrificed his life for the cause of future generation, recounted L. Shotin Kumar.
lamjingbatomtv ki statue makhinni haibasi tabada Communist Party na sarkar asibu hainingai litana thagattaba ngamde tawudadi sason toriba kangbu sina Irabot na pamjaramba mahaki wakhalon adudi chapchana pakthok pigadra natraga paktho oidoribra khwaidagi marudi aduni mahaki murti khinbaga loinana mahana pamjaramba wakhalon ado chapchana pakthok na hoda birakpado maduni ekhoi Communist Party na pamjaribase.
The political negotiations between the Government of India and the NSC and IM will likely to resume in October next. According to a senior NSC and IM leader, the talks will resume once its collective leadership, led by General Secretary T.H. Muiva, concludes meeting with various Naga civil organizations, which is currently underway at its Civil Council headquarters, Hebron. Since landing in Hebron from New Delhi on August 19 last, Muiva has initiated a series of consultations with several Naga civil organizations. The consultations will wind up by the end of this month, with the last meeting scheduled on September 28 tentatively. The talks would, in all likelihood, continue unhindered despite the NSC and IM writing to the Prime Minister's office registering its resentment at having to continue negotiating with the Government of India's interlocutor R.N. Ravi, who is now the Governor of Nagaland State. The Northeastern Council (NEC) is planning to deliver life-saving medicines through drones in remote areas of the northeastern region. According to media sources, while addressing a consultation meeting on healthcare in Shillong, NEC planning advisor Kelvin H. Karsing said that the project is still at the experimenting stage and will be first implemented in Shillong. He added that drones will be quite a useful and easy way of delivering life-saving medicines in remote areas of the Northeast, which are facing many challenges like shortage of trained medical personnel, lack of proper medical facilities, and poor accessibility. A house caught fire this morning at around 10. As per reports, the incident happened at Wangkai Konsam Laikai in Imphal East. The house belongs to one Sagolsem Sanjoy. Reportedly, properties worth around rupees 15 lakh were destroyed in the inferno. The cause of the blaze was unknown. Former councillor of Ward Number 19, Imphal Municipal Council, Yumlembam Ratikanta, expressed strong displeasure over what he said untimely arrival of fire service in such emergency situations most of the time. He demanded a separate fire service department for Imphal East. No casualties were reported.
Fire service ama lehenba pamjabasi akhoi gi humble request ni kaginodi Imphal East West haina khaibanina akhoina asolomdagi lakpasi Imphal East lomda sakpada anambana nangdabagi sang ne hena wang bai tare akhoina yumse kalhoningmada fire service ki site gi nangba haidi kalninga ju so fire service na kaninga ga su nangdabagi sang ni hena wang kainodi lakpagi traffic jam lanthok lansin nungai tabai tar mafam to sadre haidare aduna kaidi ngasi gi thogdok sigi Kalaga Hajaraga, government of Sambal appeal, Imphal East ki oiba fire service ama thamba pame masim tangdi ngasi lakpiriba sinau singda khangan jare duga thoiba yumgi dosa sijo khoi myam lekai gi mihung aktani sisu nungai jadi adubu yar khedi government na Imphal East ki oiba fire service ama athu matamda hangbina ba amtang khanabiu haina yi hajari.
We have a short commercial break now. Coming up after the break, CPET organizes a public awareness giving rally as part of nationwide Swachhta Hi Seva campaign on plastic waste Shramdan. Stay tuned.
Khongthang khudi siksinningai gi siksinningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. Adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudong thiningai atumak oi. Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo. Adubu ngasidi akhoi chingnaningai oidre. Aikhoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudo.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837353352 or 9402991938.
Welcome back after the break. As a part of the nationwide Swachhta Hi Seva campaign on plastic waste Shramdan, the Central Institute of Plastics Engineering and Technology CPET Takilpat Imphal today organized a public awareness giving silent rally. Deputy Commissioner of Imphal West and Gojendro kicked off the rally from the institute premises, wherein students and faculty members of CPET along with representatives of various industries took part. The rally was conveyed messages on proper disposal of plastic wastes. Talking to media on the sidelines of the event, Principal Director of CPET, Ibotomba Tingbaijem, underlined recycling of plastic wastes and to find proper methods of recycling and hold routine awareness programs on the related subject in the state.
Plastic singje dustbin gumana traga kari mafam chana pashin biba pashin liba plastic singdurgi aikoina khandok khandin toraga plastic recycle sabiyaba polam kya saba loina na ano porting plastic recycle product sabiyaba porting aikoina sana ba aikoina honaba maduna ultimately set million aikogi economy film se soina funkakni.
A TNT bomb was detected by troops of 43 Assam Rifles, Moray, last afternoon near Indo-Myanmar border. As per reports, the bomb was found planted inside a water pump at the Sunrise ground located close to the Indo-Myanmar border. Some unidentified bike-borne miscreants planted the bomb, sources said. A sniffer dog of Assam Rifles detected the bomb. A bomb expert team of Assam Rifles later defused the explosive, undertaking preventive measures. A scientific team of Atomic Energy Regulatory Board AERB Mumbai has sealed X-ray machine besides issuing a 1-month deadline to seal 10 more equipment at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, the lone central hospital of the state. AERB said RIMS have violated Atomic Energy Radiation Protection Rules 2004. Talking about the inspection, Scientific Officer of AERB Pradeep Kumar said that the inspection was carried out as a part of the Special Regulatory Inspection in the Northeast region under Atomic Energy Radiation Protection Rules 2004.
Today we have visited 3 private centers. There we also found discrepancies. There we have also given warning to 2 institutes. And 1 institute was complied with our requirement. Today in Imphal we have visited RIMS and we found certain discrepancy, and you have seen our action. So this is our details why we are doing so. So this is from our board. So you can refer to this, and the details for RIMS is like this. Today we have sealed 1 equipment and 10 equipment we put on warning for seal so that they can comply with within a month. That we have put a public notice. And 2 warning for sale in private hospital. So till today, we have visited 4 private hospitals and 1 government hospital RIMS. And this is all about, you can refer with.
Within 1 month, license to know I Bamaga, a question of base of material action of Mamsu. I think base to Lini Todoma. Masida Todraga, the town of the Todraga D, Mapena Silto Green. Number of Hydrinate. Adana thamaki matam sida namgani na kan may take about 10 days masida gen ek to head of the department of radio diagnosis na taw ko to ta ne ko na taw ne sin na riba mi do na taw ko ne sil to me marum tu ti ke ni jeki ka do mesin le ka do adu net door pan do ne ba palam da gi ne ha ni da adu panabi da muta purchase section de ki angam bai ba muga engineering cell de ki
An electors verification program was held at the community hall of Thanga Ngaram Lekai in Bishnupur district. The program was attended by ward member of Ngaram Maning Lekai, Laisram Gulapi Singh, field assistant of PRDA Bishnupur, O Raju and others. Voters of the polling station were verified during the exercise. Jana Nita Irawat Memorial Trust JIMET Jiribam, led by its lifetime president Dr. Chandam Kamal Singh, paid homage to the statue of Hijam Irabot at Babupara, Jiribam on his 68th death anniversary today. The students also conducted full rehearsal for the March Past parade for the 123rd birth anniversary of Irabot on September 30. Altogether, 19 student contingents took part in the rehearsal. Lifetime president of JIMET, Dr. Chandam Kamal Singh, urged the people of Jiribam to take part in the mega event.
Irabot ki sihiba tumida sida magi makamda dai sukatna mabu belum jagani loinana hanil kogi angam putra da pangtok kedaba magi makung mungki kumongi kolongi mas pas ki hanil sukatna mawada salami katini.
As a part of the 124th birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irabot, the Irabot Celebration Committee, Moray, organized a social service camp in and around Kwata village. 55 members of the committee took part in the cleanliness drive. Later, a meeting on life and work of Irabot was also held at Kwata Community Hall, where the people of Kwata Village Authority took part. The committee also gifted candles to the village commemorating Irabot Day. Another short break now. Do stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates.
Maitai Singi Puari ka sagon aduna laklaba mafam ama oiriba Sagolban Thangapat ta leiriba the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store ngaihak awaba pothafam ama oibata natana restaurant manungda yaujariba inbuilt departmental store da adomgi household items sing su phangbiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na adomgi taste bud to satisfy oheliba menu items sing enjoy tobiyo. Amadi Thangapat ki view enjoy tobiyo. Langston Biraksi, the Thangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Welcome back. 4 unions under Konoma village in Kohima district urged the government of India not to unwisely use force to treat the Nagas as people who have no option but to keep fighting or surrender. As per reports, without violence, Nagas will fight to defend their rightful position and their sovereignty shall never be compromised. The presidents of the 4 unions said in a joint statement titled Konoma Position on the Naga Struggle. Students and youth organizations of Karbi Anglong have demanded separate TET examination for the 2 hill districts of Karbi Anglong in Assam. As per reports, the organizations have demanded the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council (KAAC) for conducting of special TET for local candidates by KAAC authority. In a joint press conference convened in Dipu on Wednesday, Karbi Students Association KSA President Simeon Kongpar said they have met Chief Executive Member CEM KAAC Tuliram Rohang for immediate conduct of special TET. At least 5 people were reported dead, while many missing after a wall collapsed in the Aranyeshwar area after incessant showers battered Pune on the intervening night of yesterday and Tuesday. According to initial reports, the deaths were caused after the compound wall of Tangewala Society in the city's Parvati area caved in sometime around last midnight. 5 bodies, including that of a woman, have been retrieved so far, while at least 5 persons are said to be missing, feared drowned owing to the intensity of the water current. US President Donald Trump said he discussed Kashmir with the top leadership of India and Pakistan during his meetings with them and offered to help with arbitration or mediation on the issue to the 2 nuclear-armed neighbors who have to work it out. Trump's comments came a day after he met Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday on the sidelines of the United Nations General Assembly session, where the 2 leaders mainly focused on issues related to terrorism emanating from Pakistan and the Indo-US bilateral trade. However, India maintains that Kashmir is a bilateral issue and no third party has any role in it. Pakistan has been trying to internationalize the Kashmir issue after India withdrew the special status of Jammu and Kashmir on August 5, but New Delhi has asserted the abrogation of Article 370 was its internal matter. And now in sports news. A trial cum selection held for belt wrestling players 19-year category for the upcoming School Games 2019. A trial cum selection of belt wrestling players 19-year category for the upcoming School Games 2019 was held at the Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, Imphal. The School Games will be held in Dholpur, Rajasthan. The selection was conducted by All Manipur Traditional Belt Wrestling Association under the supervision of Youth Affairs and Armed Sports Government of Manipur, wherein 8 boys and 6 girls were selected. It was attended by President of the Association T.H. Norendro, Association Secretary C.H. Ibohal and other office bearers. There is no dearth of talents in the state, be it in the sports or martial arts or education, but financial worries are often stumbling block for these talented to advance to a bigger platform. MMA athlete Surbala Lashram as one of the local talents who will participate in the upcoming DIMMAF WMMAA Amateur Mixed Martial Arts Championship 2019 to be held at Bahrain from November 10 to 17. Surbala, daughter of Lashram Chandra of Kangabok Sorok Wangma, was selected by Mixed Martial Arts India MMAI for the Bahrain event, but the financial condition of her family is unlikely to meet her event registration, travel and lodging expenses, which amount to around Rs 1.2 lakh. However, several clubs and organizations are making generous efforts to raise funds for her participation. And now let's go through some of the local daily newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Manipur Rajbari at Shillong to be inspected. Chief Minister notes encroachment at Shillong Rajbari. NSF NSUD rally at Delhi to demand early solution. 103rd birth anniversary of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyay. Tributes paid to Baigachandra. The People's Chronicle. 2 Hill MLAs in slugfest over CM's replacement. RIMS X-ray machine sealed. 10 others under scanner. Chief Minister commits to restore Shillong Rajbari. Mum on I'm Fury. Union Minister assures to address state issues. Imphal Free Press. RIMS radiology penalized for faulting atomic energy rules. Naga students rally for early solution based on framework agreement. Jennings to have full-fledged neurosurgery ward soon. The Morning Bell. Atomic Energy Regulatory Board team swoops at RIMS. X-ray machine at radiology department sealed. No possibility of replacing Biren as he is back by center. Political crisis a wastage of time, says MLA Balte. Officials to inspect Manipur Rajbari Shillong, says Chief Minister. Bomb blast at Kurai, ID found at More. Properties worth Rs 25 lakh destroyed in fire. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister meets Green Ambassador, concerned with encroachment. Atwale assures to look into issues of SC/ST. No sense of leadership, says Balte. Earthquake will be catastrophic.
Before we end the bulletin, the headlines once again. Hijam Era Board remembered on State Mourn Day 2019 reached tribute paid. Center NSCN IM talks likely to resume in October. And NEC planning to deliver life-saving medicines through drones in interior areas of Northeast region. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.